YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a what's in the box on some Blue Square products. We're actually going to go over their Q360 overhaul kit. So we're going to kind of dive in here and show you guys what comes in, so stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we got a what's in the box for you guys on a Blue Square product. This is their Q360 overhaul kit. So this is, their part numbers are always long, so I'm going to give it to you. It's 011-30999. So this is going to completely give you the complete overhaul kit for your Q360 valve. So let's open it up and kind of see everything that they send included for you guys. So if you guys are familiar with those valves, it's a pretty simplistic internal valve. It's normally only ran by 3 parts. You have your actual physical turbine here, which they give you in a nice little bag, a little Ziploc bag. So there's your turbine, your gear cassette, which is going to be your main brains of the actual Q360 valve. So they give you that in their nice little bag. And then of course they give you a brand new lid with an O-ring. So the one thing about the Q360 valve is they do not give you any kind of pressure gauge, but they do give you the opportunity to add a pressure gauge. So located right here on the top of the actual lid, they do have a gold nut here that you guys can actually unscrew and screw in a pressure gauge. So the pressure gauge can be universal to whatever you guys want, bottom mount, back mount, whatever works for you guys, but you guys can actually screw it in directly into the lid. So then that way you guys can actually read the pressure from the valve when it's running. And then of course they give you a new O-ring for the lid, which is always important. Make sure you guys lube that up after you guys have replaced the internals. We should have a video for you guys on the actual valve so we can kind of show you guys how to do it. But like I showed you for the complete overhaul kit, instead of buying the cassette separately or the turbine separately or the lid separately, they just gave it to you all in one. So it's really nice to be able to get that full package instead of actually having to piece out individual ones. So typically when one goes, you guys want to replace them all. So this will actually save you guys some money in parts. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got these kits available directly for sale on our website, along with a lot of other Blue Square products. If you guys have a Blue Square product in mind that you guys don't see listed on our website, please feel free to reach out. We do have access to all of Blue Square's catalog, so we'll be happy to kind of get you guys lead times on any of their products as well, so that way you guys can have different options for your pool. So again, this is their Q360 overhaul kit. Pretty simplistic, just like the basic valve. 3 major parts that'll get you guys back up and running. Of course, if you guys got a leak on the actual outer housing, you're gonna have to replace that separately. But for all internals, including a new lid, this is the kit that you guys want to purchase. So again, check out the links in the description to be able to come directly to the website from us. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're gonna have some more videos coming your way on Blue Square products as well as all the other manufacturers out there. So Kyle, I'll see you next time.